In this video, I'm gonna tell you 9 secrets that took me from 0 to 2 million followers on TikTok in 1 year. Are you ready? Let's go. So guys, before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Gems like this one are coming twice per week on this channel, so make sure to be here to avoid missing the great videos coming soon. Before we start with the 9 secrets, let me tell you this. We are living the greatest period in the history of the internet. Never again was it easier for people to become world-class famous, to monetize their following super fast, to build a following and become global personal brands within a few months. And all that with the power of short video. And guys, short video is much easier than what I do right now here. Creating long-form videos for YouTube that takes time to produce, longer scripts, and too much effort in editing. So really, it was never easier to grow a brand, to acquire a following, to reach millions of people faster than ever. This video might be my experience on TikTok because that's what really changed completely my business life and my personal life, because it wasn't just the 2 million followers, it was also the 3.5 billion views that I got on TikTok in a year. So people from all around the world that care about digital marketing, all things digital, really know my face right now. And all that happened so fast, so unexpectedly, by making a great decision, which was to go all in on TikTok, experiment, learn from that, and right now I understand that what I learned on TikTok applies to everything. Instagram Reels, Pinterest video pins, YouTube Shorts, you name it. Every single platform has decoded what TikTok did, they copied their algorithm, and they're doing the exact same thing on every platform. So I took the principles from TikTok, I applied on Instagram, it worked great. I did the same on Pinterest, it worked great again. Even my YouTube Shorts start picking up and are the main reason why this channel is nearing 10k subscribers in such a short period. So let's move on to the 9 secrets I promised. Secret number 1. This has to be your number 1 priority. I don't care about your business. I don't care about anything else you gotta do the next period. I want you to go to your calendar, book a slot, 1 hour, 2 hours, I don't really care. And you will write on that TikTok time. It's your time to showcase to yourself that this is a priority for the next 3-6 months. That's what I did. I said to myself, Konstantinos, let's give it a try. I saw the buzz around TikTok and I said, okay, let's try for 6 months and see what happened. So I booked my calendar every single day and I knew that 11 to 1 p.m. is my TikTok time. So I studied the platform, I studied the culture, I understood how content is being created and being consumed, and promised to myself to experiment, learn from that, not disappoint, not get disappointed, stop focusing on the number and the performance of the videos, and focusing on becoming better, understand the principles of short video, and keep doing it until I get it right. Number 2, I'm a numbers guy. I love numbers, that's how I do business, that's how I make decisions. So I wanted to produce some videos out there, understand the numbers of my analytics, understand my insights, and I even got an Excel sheet where I started capturing ratios of my likes versus views, saves versus watch time. So I tried to understand how my numbers influence the performance of my videos. I compared videos that didn't perform with the ones that started performing really well. I kept capturing that, especially when I got my first viral videos. But in order to get to that point, you need to start producing content without even caring if the numbers are right. If you get low views or high views, it doesn't matter. It's your experimentation period, so make sure to keep going. So you're gonna see the formula right here, what really makes videos go viral. You need to understand how this works, and we're gonna analyze that later in this video. Number 3, I spent at least 60 to 70% of the total time that I dedicated on a video to optimize my titles. Find intriguing names, make it short, making it intriguing, and I even made some A/B testings, like creating the same video with a different intro of a couple of 2-3 seconds, posted it at the same time on my platform, and saw what happened in terms of my views. We can spend so much time talking about that. You can see way more in my course that you're gonna find in the description. But bottom line, the shorter you get, the better it is. Using words like you, going borderline clickbait, but always make sure to deliver the promise that you make in the title. If you don't, it will seriously backfire. So again, like with everything, experiment, keep it short, keep it sweet, keep it relevant for them, and always use titles that make people feel that they cannot afford to miss the video. Number 4, when you see something working, keep building on that. If you had a successful video, create a series about it. That's what I did with my first viral video, which was 10 websites you won't believe exist, or I wish I knew earlier. And then I said, interesting. Probably we have something here, so maybe people should expect to see a part 2, a part 3, a part 4. I saw my analytics, understood what was the key period of the video that people kept watching, which was 25 to 30 seconds. And I said to myself, okay, I will go for shorter videos and break them into different parts instead of putting, 5, 6, 7, 10 websites in a single video. People love series, guys, like with Netflix. We all have our favorite series. We know what to expect. So the more familiar we become with them, the more we love them and we want them to keep going. And also, you brand yourself with this series. It becomes your own identity. Number 5. Identity. I just said it before, but guys, before you enter the platform or any other platform, make sure to introduce yourself in the right way. I don't want you to care about trends. I don't want you to care about what everybody else is doing. I want you to understand the culture of the platform, but I want you to be you. Find your voice, find your character, be authentic. Don't try to be something else and keep chasing one trend or the other, just going after the next potentially viral video. Instead of chasing the trend, become the trend. Because I've seen people going after viral video and losing their identity, derailing entirely from their brand identity. So even if you get a big following by doing that, you will never be able to monetize it. Number 6, keep it short. Attention span of people was never shorter. Sometimes they won't give us even 3 or 4 seconds, guys. So apart from the very, very catchy intro, we need to deliver as much value as possible within the next 20, 25 to 30 seconds. So go simple, create the first version of your video and start cutting down things that are not necessary. If you can say something, if you can do the same thing in a shorter video, do it in a shorter video. And music many times plays a huge role in that. People get hyped with videos that have a great track, along with a great video, with fast transitions, short frames, and all that together creates a very beautiful and exciting to watch outcome. So many times I get comments from people saying that I got hyped from watching the video. And the video was nothing else but presenting a series of websites or marketing tips. So the track, the vibe, the hype that you create, the energy that you bring in the camera play a huge role. Number 7, simplify your shooting method and setup. As I said before, guys, consistency is the number 1 factor. If you want to give it a try, you need to give it a try for a specific period, but you need to be consistent. I kept showing up in the platform every single day. I never lost a single day of posting. And in order to do that, especially if you haven't created videos before, you need to find a way to systemize your video production. And that's why you see that all the time I have a specific setup. I'm in front of the camera. I'm in front of one of the 2 offices that I have in my house. I use my phone, the same ring light. Sometimes I go with a green screen, but everything is predefined. I don't have to wonder. I don't have to think about anything. I don't try to complicate things. And that saves me so much time. It makes sure and helps me to keep being consistent. So most of the times I produce a video A to Z within 1 hour at most. Number 8, don't use this platform to sell or monetize super fast. I understand, we have businesses, you love money, I love it too, but if you start with this thing in your head, you will never reach the point that money will chase you. Because that's what happened with me. After hitting 2 million followers or even 600,000 followers, brands kept chasing me because they all wanted to get featured on my platform, or they understood that I know what I'm doing, so they wanted to work with me and my agency. So I entered the platform intentionally to be me, to experiment, to showcase everything I know, but I was totally unintentional when it comes to getting money. All you gotta do right now is focus on answering the key questions of your audience. How you know your key questions of your audience? From your experience, so I hope you have some, but if you don't have some, you just go to any keyword research tool like Ubersuggest, Answer Socrates, or SEMrush. You enter your main keyword or your main niche, your category like digital marketing, fitness, you name it, and you will get tons of different topics by popularity. So all you gotta do is write them down and start answering them with video. And finally, guys, keep building on your successful videos. When you found something that works, this is gold. Keep digging, there is more gold in that. Add a twist, answer a comment with a video, create a video from a different angle, or keep building up on the specific topic. Creativity, guys, is like a muscle. The more you train it, the bigger it becomes. So what it seems really tough for you at the beginning, when it comes to idea generation, it will become super easy along the way. Trust me. So guys, this was a very short video. There is so much more info and value in my course that you're gonna find in the description. I really believe that it's the best TikTok course out there. 3.5 hours of lessons, tips, hacks, things that I did and worked for me for TikTok, for Instagram, for video pins, for YouTube shorts, you name it. If you want to become a great short video creator and monetize that big time, you should give it a try. By the way, it's risk-free because there is a money back guarantee. So guys, I hope you loved the video. If you did, show some love by subscribing. And until next time, simply hustle.